Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be reviewing this dragon fruit. And this right here is the DARKSTAR. Let's cut this dragon fruit up. But before I do that, do me a huge favor. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And even the bell notification so you can know every time a video drop. All right, let's cut this open. Let's get the bricks and let's get the taste test. All right, there you go. Beautiful pinkish magenta color. Now let's take the bricks test. All right, guys, so the bricks is coming in at 17 on this one right here. The bricks is coming in at a 17. Now let's do the taste test. Very refreshing. Not as sweet as I would hope it would be, but I did get the bricks from the center, so now I'm going to try the centerpiece. Now this is a centerpiece. This is it right here, guys. Once again, this is the DARKSTAR. Look at that beautiful color. You guys know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.